What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy KaoticKiccs, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Listen, bro, I'm gonna tell you straight out the gate, bro. These Flint 13s was definitely really hard to get yesterday, bro. Listen, bro, if you didn't hit on a raffle or you wasn't able to have a plug to where you could pick these sneakers up, bro, this wasn't a walk in the park, bro. On the sneakers app, I put in for a side for one of the homies, man. I thought definitely by this being a major GR that your boy was going to able to just go ahead and get that W on there, man. But to be honest, your boy actually had this type of look. But it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? You can't win them all, you know what I'm saying? But hey, bro, I feel like if you really wanted the sneaker though, bro, a lot of people didn't show up to pick up their sneakers, and if a store around you was doing first come, first serve, if you stuck around and waited that whole entire time, man, you would have ended up with that pair that you wanted, or at least a pair to trade off so you can get your size, man. But with that being said, man, I'm not going to hold y'all up too long. It's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to run through the shoe, probably do it on foot, man, and then we can go ahead and I can tell you my thoughts and opinion about it. But look, if you are new to the channel and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and tap that. Also, ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time that your boy uploads new videos and that you don't miss out on the information that I be giving about these sneakers whenever they're about to release and all that good stuff, man. But look, I'm gonna go ahead and roll the intro and then we can go ahead and talk about these sneakers. So let's get it. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that intro. Man, go ahead and head to those links down in the description below, and also follow me on my social media as well, man, on Instagram as well as on YouTube and also Twitter, man. All that is linked down in the bottom as well. So look, bro, let's go ahead and get into this sneaker, bro. We're gonna start with the box first. The box, we got the regular OG 13 box as we always get with the red Jumpman in the center. The tag and label says Air Jordan 13 Retro. Colorway is navy, university blue. This is a size 10 personal pair, and these things did retail for 190 of them things, man. Give you a good look at that right fast. Go ahead and open up the lid. I don't see no stamp, no nothing in the lid, man. You get your regular, you know what I'm saying, paper that comes off in here, man. But I don't see no stamps or nothing like that. But boom, there you have it, bro. The Air Jordan 13 Flints, man. Listen, your boy did have a pair back in 2010, bro, when they released in 2010. But your boy, at that time, I wasn't even collecting, man. You know what I'm saying? They were just buying a sneaker here and there, bro, just to have on my toes or whatnot. But I actually destroyed my 2010 pair, man. But look, that ain't the first time that they actually decided to get his back to us, man. They also came back in 2005, and they was introduced to us back in 1998, man. You know what I'm saying? The OG. And finally, we got them back in 2020. And by this sneaker being the way that it is, I think this is the closest to the OG form that we have ever got. But starting with the review of the sneaker, you can see that we do get white pies. You do get a hit of that gray down there at the bottom. You got a blue hologram right here with a Jumpman in the inside of it. You got your blue carbon fiber and whatnot, but as we work our way up towards the midsole of the sneaker, You can see you do got white right here towards the bottom of it. You got that gray suede right here. And the upper, man, is that navy blue, bruh. And blue is my favorite color, bruh. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to sneakers, I love blue, black, and white a lot, bruh. Don't get me wrong, I also do love the bread colorways on sneakers as well, bro, when it comes to Jordans, you know. But blue is my favorite color, man. But to finish off the review, you can see that we do get that navy blue mesh right here. And also, man, they decided to put 3M off in the mesh part right here for the navies, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. That is a dope touch. Just like King Tweezy will tell you, I'm a big 3M fan too when it comes to these sneakers, man. And I'm glad that they put it on this sneaker, bro. Man, when that night light gonna hit these shoes, bro, and watching it glow the way that it glow, bro, you already know what's hitting for with that. But also, you can see that we do get that nice tumble leather right here on the toe box that leads up towards the tongue. On the tongue, you get a University blue Jumpman or that North Carolina blue Jumpman on the tongue. You got your standard round laces, man. These did not come with an extra pair of laces at all, man. So honestly, bro, the white lace is gonna stay in these for me anyway. But off in the insole, let me see if I can get off in there for you guys. You got a black insole with that North Carolina Jumpman off in there as well, man. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, man, you got your standard hologram that's on most of the Jordan 13s, man. Some do come with like a button 23 on them. But man, other than that, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is definitely one of the sneakers that I'm glad to actually have back in the collection, because like I said, my 2010 pair, man, I destroyed them, bro. But your boy about to go ahead and throw these things on feet. Then after that, I'm gonna jump back in front of the camera and end the video. So let's get it. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed the on foot of the Air Jordan 13 Flints, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this sneaker. Did you get a W on the sneakers app? Did you get a W on raffles or whatnot? Even let me know down there if you even took an L on these, man, or if you're gonna pull the trigger on GOAT or StockX, man. But like I said, your boy like this. Blue is my favorite color, and I'm definitely happy to have this pair off in the collection, man. So other than that, man, it's your boy KaoticKiccs, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace.